Good evening, dear viewers. Tonight I'm going to talk about the means of transport in Barranquilla. This is my series. Okay, what is the means of transport in Barranquilla? Oh, this is the bici moto. Only can use 2 people. It's a good transport. This is the other. Transmetro. This is the means of transport can use very people. Okay? It's very used in Barranquilla. Okay, for example, these buses of different roads. For example, Transalianco, Cochofalco, Litoral, Transmecarco, or wherever the other roads buses. Okay. For example, this motocarro de cabina is very used in Soledad Atlántico. It's the same motocarro, but it's more formal. This, for example, can use 3-4 people. This means of transport. And this mototaxi use 1 person. Okay. So this is CNN in English. Bye bye. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.